Revealed. The secret loophole that delivers unlimited traffic on tap in just 30 minutes. 3 questions. Have you ever wanted to make an amazing living doing something you actually love? Do you ever feel like just quitting your job? Do you wish you could just have the freedom to do whatever you want? Then you're going to want to pay very close attention to this presentation. Hi, my name is John and I'm an affiliate and online marketer. If you've ever felt frustrated and like nothing seems to work out, I can relate. Because not so long ago I was in the exact same position as you. Before I discovered this secret blueprint, I always wanted to be a full-time online marketer. I suspected the gurus knew something I didn't, but I didn't know for certain. I had this nagging feeling that I was being kept in the dark. But the media and all my friends always said how powerful online marketing is. Did you know that stats reveal there are over 4.6 billion active internet users? And that over 1.7 billion people shopped online last year? In a few minutes, I'm going to reveal my secret blueprint. You're going to discover why this is the simplest way to stuff your account. Finally, I'll show you why my autopilot traffic source will send you all the buyer traffic you'll ever need. Watch now or miss out. This information is very controversial in nature. Therefore, I can't guarantee it will be around forever. Watch this presentation now, or you might never discover these secrets on your own. But if you thought your frustration in the past was bad, think of it like this. Nothing will prepare you for the future if you don't unlock these secrets. Introducing Traffic Legion. I saw that ordinary people were really getting fooled by misinformation. And I wanted to help by sharing what works for me. So I decided to outline the secret blueprint for you. Traffic is the lifeblood of this industry. And solving all your traffic problems with Traffic Legion is easy. All you need to do is copy and paste my methods, then you're all set. With Traffic Legion, you can never worry about traffic again. Traffic Legion comes packed with great features like Traffic Legion A to Z Blueprint, unlimited traffic on demand, real-world case studies, easy breezy automations, and tools, resources, and insider extras. Click the button below now to get Traffic Legion for a low one-time fee. Don't just take our word for it. Here's what our beta testers are saying. Johnny says, if you're struggling to make your first dime online, Traffic Legion is the perfect solution. And Bill says, it's very cool and the training is jam-packed with value and full of golden nuggets that everyone needs to know. I often get the question, how do I know Traffic Legion will work for me? The truth is, this blueprint has consistently worked for 100% of beta testers. I also get the question, can I really do this? In reality, almost everyone can with even hardly any effort at all. But there's more to Traffic Legion than what I've already told you. As a valued customer, you will get access to a private member area with VIP support. I will also fully guarantee your purchase by giving you a 365-day guarantee. The price for all of this is normally $47 per month, but today it's just $12.95. In fact, if you are quick, you might even get this even cheaper on an early bird special. We've also added some great bonuses. Bonus number 1, OLSP Traffic Domination Group. Underground private group shows you how to dominate traffic. Value $997. Bonus number 2, Profit Force. Premium training course on how you can boost sales and conversions on any list size and practically force commissions into your account. Value $297. Bonus number 3, Velocity. Premium YouTube course on how I get free buyer traffic from YouTube without even showing your face on camera. Value $297. Bonus number 4, Buyers List Bonanza Reloaded. Premium list building course on how I grow my email list with free buyer traffic. Fast. Value $197. But this offer is going to be around for a limited time only. We may close the offer after 200 people get access. And it will be returning to a monthly fee after this launch period. Imagine knowing you had the opportunity to tap into this Traffic Legion system but didn't. An opportunity like this is once in a lifetime. If you want to really create a life of freedom, the time to take action is now. The main reason newbie and intermediate marketers struggle is not having enough traffic, and Traffic Legion solves this with spades. Remember, you get Traffic Legion A to Z blueprint, unlimited traffic on demand, real-world case studies, easy breezy automations, and tools, resources, and insider extras. P.S. Here's a recap of everything you're getting. You're getting the easiest and fastest way to get massive traffic to your offers that will fill your affiliate account, with our A to Z blueprint and untapped traffic sources. You also get the step-by-step tutorials and the 4 premium bonuses. Click the button below now to lock in the lowest price possible. The time to create your life of freedom is now. Click the button below to get started, and we'll see you on the inside.